All right. So the biggest mistakes a homeowner makes, um, starting a renovation or a remodeling project is going with the cheapest bid. I mean, I know you guys probably don't want to hear that, but listen, no matter what it is, whenever I look to purchase something new, I make sure I'm not buying the cheapest one. You know, I'm a firm believer in getting what you pay for. I mean, of course, I don't just go and pick the most expensive one, but like I do a little bit of research, I check the product out and I'm definitely not buying the cheapest or the most expensive. So, because from my experience, every time I go for the best deal, um, the product is low quality. So I get it if you're a homeowner or if you're flipping houses or something, like, yeah, I get it, man. Like, you just want to look good enough to sell. I get it. But here at Home and Beyond Services, we provide a 5-star service. We will not do anything less than that. There's always playroom in our estimates, slightly, a little bit. But if the client's asking for any kind of drastic discount to where we can't provide a 5-star service for what they're willing to pay, then we won't take the job. We're just not going to do it because it always comes back to bite us in the ass at the end. We try to help. Oh, and band-aid jobs. Like, people call us all the time, like, "Oh, hey, my shower's leaking, but I don't want to redo the whole shower. Can we just, like, put like for example, we had this one client. She was like, "Oh, can we just re-grout? Can we just like touch up the grout here and there?" And we did. And then a few weeks later, she called us again because the shower's leaking. Like, it's our fault, like, it's not our fault, man. Like, this was a band-aid job from the beginning. We recommended that you redo the whole shower because when you redo the whole shower, you take everything down. Like, we can inspect the plumbing, we can inspect, everything. We can see what's going on. We can inspect the drain. We can see what's going on. There might be a leak in the drain. There might be a leak in the wall and the plumbing. So once we rebuild it, then we can guarantee that work. Then you can call us back all you want. You can call us back a month, 2 months, 6 months, a year down the road. Give us a call. We'll take care of it because we guarantee all our work. We provide a 5-star service, and that's what that is. So, yeah, we don't do band-aid jobs, and, we don't go down on the price too much. A little bit, yeah, there's always room for negotiation. But I feel like that's the biggest mistake people make is when they're looking to do a project in their home, they're getting multiple bids, which is great. You should do that. Don't go with the lowest one, you know? Find something in the middle. Like, look at the scope of work that they wrote out in their estimate. Are they missing anything? Are their details specified? Because majority of these guys out here, what they'll do is they'll shoot a really low number just to get their foot in the door. And then, throughout the whole project, it's change order, change order, change order. Oh, well, now we have to do this. So that's going to be an additional. Oh, but now we got to do that. That's going to be additional. A lot of people do that. Trust me. And we don't want to do that. Once we give you a price, that's the price. You can, yeah, if you were to ever ask my guys will tell you, like, we do not do change orders. Like, I tell them all the time, listen, bid the job so we can take care of everything. Like, we got to make sure everything is good. You know what I'm saying? We do not like doing change orders. I feel like change orders are a sleazy, scammy, like a shady practice, man. You know what I'm saying? It's such an easy loophole to take advantage of the client that probably doesn't know what we're even talking about. So I don't like doing it. We will never do that unless it's something crazy, dude. Like, yes, like, something crazy. Like, yeah, we will do that. But anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about. Please like, subscribe, and share, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.